Josie Limos from BeybladeWorld.net, and this video is called the Beyblade Sonokong Explosion Battle Series. Are we on Battle 1 or is it Battle 2? Battle 1, I'm pretty sure. Because first one was Battle Royale. So for our first battle, it's going to be a three-way battle. Thunder Wolf against Wings Falcon against Mortal Shark. Our battles will be in our custom, no, not custom made, but custom set of stadium. We have lights outside. Inside, we got some two little special stickers there. So, you know, 3 rounds. It's going to be a little bit hard to do a three-way battle. The battle has just gotten started with these 3 top plates. Thunder Wolf is slowing down, Wings Falcon is spinning around, and Mortal Shark is sharking around. I'm trying to talk a little bit loud because the music is pretty loud, and the battle is starting with amazingness. Who will win? Thunder Wolf is slowing down. Go on, okay. I'm grab Thunder Wolf. And now Wings Falcon has slowed down. Round 1 is Mortal Shark. So I'm now going to be setting up these bays. And I love that song. Alright, last one. Oh, first one. Course now, 1-0-0. So now round 2. The battle is getting started with these 3 top plates. Let us see who will win round 2. Mortal Shark is attacking. Wings Falcon is slowing down. Thunder Wolf is trying to get a win. Who will win round 2? Wings Falcon has stopped. Our winner is Thunder Wolf with a score of 1-1-0. Alright, I'm just getting set up for round 3, so yeah, now you can see I'm ready. Play it. Let us see if Wings Falcon can take its win. With Thunder Wolf and Mortal Shark both in the lead, who will win? Mortal Shark is starting to slow down. Let us see if Wings Falcon can win this amazing battle. Come on, Wings Falcon! Come on. Okay, that's Mortal Shark. And our winner is Thunder Wolf with a score of 2-1-0. So now that round for the fans. The fans round. Brought to you by Vortex Cyclone by Zankye. It's a stadium that we have. Alright. There you go. Now this round for the fans. I'm going to be trying to use this. Okay, never mind. But anyways, the battle's getting started. Looks Thunder Wolf is trying to slow him down, but Wings Falcon is trying to take a win. Let's see if Wings Falcon can take 1 point. Oh, Wings Falcon is slowing down. Gotta grab it. And there you go. Mortal Shark is the winner of the fans round. Our real winner is Thunder Wolf. So, please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the 3-way top plate battle as much as I did.